Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're all having a wonderful weekend. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different unboxings. If you enjoy subscription boxes and product reviews, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. Guys, don't forget we do have 2 active giveaways going on right now. We have the huge holiday collab with Samantha Sweets that is linked down below. That ends on Black Friday. And then we do have our 48-hour little thankful giveaway going on as well. That will also be linked down below. But today we are unboxing GlobeIn for November 2020. And we have the Soirée box. So I'm very excited to see what we have in here. A special thank you to GlobeIn for sending this to me for review. I do greatly appreciate it. So GlobeIn, for those of you that are not familiar, is a artisan subscription where you receive beautiful handmade products from around the globe. So they work with different companies and businesses to make sure that all employees are paid fair wages, and I think that is fantastic. I think anything that helps to give back and helps to improve the lives of others is amazing. The subscription is $40 a month with $10 shipping. I do have a promo code that I will put down below. It will save you some money on your first box if you sign up for 3 months or longer. And you guys, my house is filled with GlobeIn stuff. Like, it is that amazing. I have gone, like, I actually was paying for the subscription before they contacted me to send it to me. Like, I love this subscription that much. It is that amazing. The quality of the products are phenomenal. It's just an amazing box all around. So they do have in this one, I went ahead, I do want to say, I'm going to insert a picture here so you guys can see how well they package everything, because when I tell you that everything is bubble wrapped and bubble wrapped and bubble wrapped and stuffed with paper and packaged well, I am not kidding. So here you go, take a peek. Okay, so you saw that was what the box looked like before I took everything out. I took it all out because I wanted to save time and be able to show you. But here we have the 2019 report, impact report. And this I think is really neat. It actually goes over showing different things they were able to do, different months, different funds that were worked with. It's just, it literally physically shows you what you're doing by subscribing. Not only are you getting beautiful products, but where your money is going and who it is helping. And I just love that. So, like I said, we have the Soirée box. Don't want to give too much away. I want you to be able to see what all these products are. They're gorgeous. But it says, when we first open our little pamphlet here, it says, "Dear Mavens, ready for a refreshing cocktail or mocktail to round out your work week? This month, GlobeIn is here to help you prep your at-home bevy bar and supply you with a much-needed drink accessories to liven up your aperitifs." I don't know if I said that correctly, and happy hour appetizers. So grab a couple friends and whip up a couple mixed drinks of your choice. We're here to help you stock up for those martinis, margaritas, mojitos, daiquiris, and sours. Whether you take it neat or on the rocks, here is a set of fairly traded goods to dress up your drinks in any form. So, what I also like is in here, they will go over and actually show you who one of the artisans is that could have made your product. They also go over, usually there's some recipes or different things in the back. Let's see. Do we have recipes? We do. So we've got a recipe here for vegetarian Italian stuffed mushrooms. So let's see. We are just going to get started. We're going to get started here with the biggest item. And I mean, they're all beautiful in their own way. They're all stunningly beautiful. This one, though, I'm going to tell you something. To know that this is handmade, y'all. Handmade. Hand-blown glass. Are you ready? Do you see this beautiful picture? It is this like red and white and iridescent swirl, and y'all, this is like solid, this is like heavy duty. I mean, it is just such a beautiful picture. I actually have the same picture, just in all white and iridescent without the red. I do have red accents in my kitchen, so now I'm very glad to have this one. I think it is stunningly beautiful. I mean, it was made, like I said, handmade, hand-blown glass in Mexico, and it's just beautiful. But it is called the Large Iced Tea Pitcher. It says care is used only for room temperature or chilled liquids. It is not designed for hot liquids, and you want to hand wash this. So the next item, or items, because there are two. Again, it shows a different worker who could have made these items. These were also hand blown in Mexico, and they are matching stemless wine glasses. Not only do they match each other, but they match the picture. Are they not beautiful? Like, how could you not feel good about yourself having quality products that feel a little bougie, but also feel good just knowing that you helped someone better their life, better their livelihood, help them provide for their family. It's just all around, like I said, it's just a really, it's a feel-good box in every way. But these you can see, and I've said this before because I've got some other stemless glasses from GlobeIn. They're very thick. These are not cheaply made glasses. They are made with passion. So they're just gorgeous. And then our next item is actually from Thailand. It says from Thailand with love. Let me see if it had any special directions on the wine glasses. Same thing, not designed for hot liquids, hand wash only. And then this is a beautiful, beautiful long-handled tasting spoon. It's 8 inches, and this is hand-carved wood. So someone literally set and hand-carved, so no two are going to be alike. And this is hand wash only. But yeah, so no one is going to have a spoon that is exactly, I mean, it's going to look probably similar, but there will be differences. That is one thing I think too is really unique when you're talking about handmade products, is no one is going to have the glass with the same exact swirls and the same exact locations or anything, because these are all handmade items. So you have your little stirring tasting spoon. And then our final item is, this is actually teak. This is a teak wood wine topper. This is this was handmade in Peru. It says, due to the nature of this product, sizing may vary, fits standard size wine bottles. Again, this is teak wood, and it's hand wash recommended. But isn't it beautiful? Like, did you see like sticking this in the top of a bottle of wine until you pour the next glass? It's just beautiful. I love it. And you can see here, this one almost looks a little bit more triangular because, again, they're handmade, so no two are going to be alike. So that is the Soirée box for November 2020. Again, I will put a link down below and the promo code, so definitely go check out, save yourself some money. I do believe they're having some sort of special Black Friday sale, so definitely take advantage of that if you're interested. But again, all the information will be in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget about those 2 giveaways, especially the one ending on Sunday. So yeah, love it. I think it's beautiful. So a special thank you to my channel members. Your support means so very much to me, and you do have your very own giveaway coming up very soon. If you would like to learn more about channel membership, there is a link down below where you can check it out. I do giveaways at least once a month for my channel members only. And yeah, so I appreciate the support of everyone being here and watching. So even if you can't become a member, I completely understand. And like I said, just being here means so much. I appreciate it. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you on the next one.